We're leaving Taichung, heading to Taipei. We are taking a high-speed train into the city, and then we're gonna go explore Taipei. And we're starting at the National Museum. Kimmy's back at it with her backpack on butt system. So you can't see anything. Here's our train tickets. My bug bites are so itchy. So I can't wait till we sit on the train and I can rub Tiger Balm all over them.
Our train is an hour from Taichung to Taipei. There we go.
Now that we're sitting down, I have my Tiger Balm. I'm gonna rub this on my bug bites because it's so itchy. Oh, so good. Made it to Taipei!
You guys follow me.
Here's our new bus.
I'll be like, listen.
I know, it looks exactly like our old bus. We're all in our same seats. Different bus, same seats.
Oh, yeah.
There's a bug in my TV screen.
It's just a little nature.
We're in Taipei. We just got to the National Palace Museum. We got our tour guide headphones in. We're gonna go learn more about Taiwan.
That's my wife. You said I do look like a young girl.
Alright, I just took a much needed nap on the bus. I was exhausted, and now we're in Jiaofan, and this is like the cemetery.
Like each one is like a tomb.
Crazy, these are huge. Oh! Since I last vlogged, we completely changed outfits. Tiffany spotted a shop that sold qipao.
And now we all look like Chun-Li.
Yes! And then we got little hairpins.
Sausage? Look at, they gave him a sausage.
Oh, you want to eat his little sausage. Hi, Dong. Oh. Hi, Dong. Oh, they're so cute. We just left the market. Have to go walk back to the bus. Hi, dogs. Sweating. So, we have to go all the way. All the way over there. We're lost. We can't find our group. We're so far away. There's so many steps. I have no idea how we're going to get back to the bus. I like this green wall.
This right here.
Ooh, bug, bug, bug. I changed back into my normal clothes on the bus. That dress has no stretch. And we're about to go eat, so I didn't want to rip it. We got drone action up in here.
Oh, wait, 3 drones?
We made it to dinner. This restaurant's super cute. So I already started eating, and I wanted to show you what we're having for dinner. Ready? They're really good. There's like ginger, sesame oil. Nice and simple, but very yummy.
I like all the posts you posted. Oh, we gotta get more like promote Taiwanese tourism. Cheers, bottoms up.
Cheers. We're at our last hotel in Taiwan. This is a nice greeting. Ooh, sweet. It's pineapple juice. Fresh. We are in the new hotel. This is the Amba Hotel. This whole trip, Kimmy and I have been sharing rooms, and this time I got my own room. So this is my room right here, except my key's not working, so Jeannie had to go downstairs in the lobby to get me a new key. Okay, you can see why. Ooh. The hotel manager basically just let me know that I have the best room in the hotel. I literally have the best view of Taipei. I'm so sad we're only here till 8:30 in the morning. Hold on, let me turn up the light. Okay. It's so pretty. Wow. So nice. I just can't get over this view. I'm so happy that I have a visitor. Hi, welcome to my crib.
Oh my god! Whoa, Jessica.
I don't want to leave the room now.
Dude, this is a cool room. It wraps around.
So now we're all walking to the night market. We're gonna go check out this night market and see what's good. Come on! Come on! Come on!
Love when she says my name.
Come on! Made it to the night market. What they made?
much?
This is what they made? Oh. Cute little doggy. That looks so good. Tiffany's getting her Taiwanese sausage.
Where's the other Taiwanese sausage? Oh, where's Kimmy? Kimmy wants Taiwanese sausage.
What is this thing? Looks like some kind of fruit.
Each from that. Each from that. Each from that.
What else? What are you pointing at?
From this. Each from that. And film that. Film that. No. Don't. Film that. Film that. Film that. Now film that.
Brought to you by TJ, director. Stinky tofu. I don't want to. Does it stink?
Not really. It's like.
It actually smells good.
Take a bite out of it.
Stinky tofu. You made a face. I feel like you're tricking me. Tastes like tofu.
Nice smell. So I don't.
I like this. Well, I'm not. Kimmy and I are heading back to the room because we are so tired and not hungry. Being tired and not hungry doesn't really mix with the night market. This is our last thing we're gonna do here in Taiwan before we head to the airport. We're here at a Confucius temple. Confucius say, wear qipao. Here's our qipao squad. Yay! Tiffany's a professional poser.
She is. She has so many poses.
Dude, why are you calling her a poser, guys?
She has so many poses. Come inside and take Instagram picture. Ooh.
You should say, do it for the gram.
Yeah.
Matchmaker.
Brandon, hit the pose.
Mango tour takes you there.